Are you ready for a new adventure in the 100-acre woods? Yes? So then cuddle up, close your eyes, and let's go. It was a typical day in the 100-acre woods. Sunny skies, gentle breeze, and not a cloud in sight. This would usually make Eeyore happy, or as happy as Eeyore could get. But today was different. Oh no, not again. The donkey frowned as he realized the hiccups were interrupting his usual routine of moping around and munching thistles. He had to do something about it, but he did not know any remedy for the hiccups. Well, I suppose I can ask my friends if they know any remedy for the hiccups. Eeyore trotted towards Pooh's home, hiccuping along the way. Pooh, got a moment? Eeyore asked. Oh, Eeyore, I was just making a little snack. Would you like some? Pooh offered. Actually, I am here for a different reason. I have these hiccups, and they just won't go away. Eeyore explained, feeling gloomy. Well, I am sure a spoonful of honey makes anything better. Pooh handed it a jar of honey. Eeyore dipped his hoof and licked off the honey, waiting expectantly. Oh no, it did not work. Oh, brother, that usually does the trick for me. What could we do to help? Think, said Pooh. Maybe we could go and see if Tigger has a solution, said Eeyore. And so Pooh and Eeyore went to see Tigger, who was busy bouncing around as usual. Hi, Eeyore. What brings you in this part of the woods? Asked Tigger, happy to see his friends. Eeyore could barely finish his sentence without hiccuping. Tigger, I've got these annoying hiccups. Well, I bet a good old bounce will shake 'em off. Eeyore wasn't one for bouncing, but he was willing to try anything to get rid of his hiccups. They both started bouncing, Tigger gracefully and Eeyore quite clumsily. Oh no, it's not working, said Eeyore, feeling defeated. Let's go and see if Piglet has an idea, suggested Pooh. And so the friends walked towards Piglet, who was busy making a beautiful tiny bouquet. Piglet, I have the hiccups. Could you please help me? Asked Eeyore. Oh, dear Eeyore, that sounds very inconvenient, replied Piglet, who was even more nervous than usual when he heard Eeyore's hiccups. Piglet started to think of a possible solution. He really wanted to help his friends. I have an idea. What if we scare the hiccups away? He said, hopeful of this solution. Well, I will try anything, replied Eeyore. Piglet, Pooh, and Tigger tried to make their scariest faces, but ended up looking rather funny instead of scary. Nice try, friends, but this is not scary. It's more funny, Eeyore said, disappointed to see his hiccup coming back. Piglet did not understand how Eeyore did not find their scary faces scary. He even got scared by his reflection and squealed. Feeling increasingly desperate, the friends accompanied Eeyore to Owl's tree house. Surely, Wise Owl would have a remedy for the donkey. Good day, Eeyore. How may I help you today? Owl asked, adjusting his spectacles.
I got these hiccups, Owl, and they are really annoying me,
Eeyore explained. I see. Well, the scientific approach to this would be to hold your breath, said Owl. Eeyore took a deep breath and held it as long as he could. Finally, he exhaled. He waited, and it seemed for a minute that he got rid of his hiccups. But just when he was going to thank Owl,
Oh no, I might have the hiccups forever,
he said, his head down. Well, we have one last hope. Let's pay a visit to Rabbit, Pooh suggested. Feeling like he was doomed to hiccup forever, Eeyore slouched his way to Rabbit's burrow. Seeing the friends approaching his burrow, Rabbit knew something was going on and went on to welcome them. Well, what do we have here? How may I help?
I have the hiccups and I have tried anything but nothing seems to work,
explained Eeyore one more time. Have you tried sipping on water slowly? Asked Rabbit. It is proved to be the most efficient solution when it comes to curing the hiccups, explained Rabbit. The friends looked at each other. They had never heard of this remedy before. Rabbit handed Eeyore a glass of water. Sip it slowly. Do not gulp it. Eeyore took a long sip slowly, then another, skeptical but willing to do anything to stop his hiccups. As he set down the glass, he waited for a minute and realized his hiccups were gone. Over the moon, Eeyore started prancing, yes, prancing all around.
It worked! No more hiccups!
No one had ever seen Eeyore this happy before. And all it took was a simple glass of water, said Rabbit proudly. Everyone gathered around Eeyore, sharing laughter and celebrating him. Hic, hic, hooray! Tigger joked. The friends sat down to enjoy Rabbit's fresh vegetables, Pooh's honey, and Eeyore could not help but think that sometimes the simple solutions could be indeed the most effective. He was very grateful for his friends, who always tried their best to put a smile on his face. And so the friends learned that even the most minor of problems could bring them all closer together in the 100-acre woods. And on this note, good night, sweet dreams, and see you very soon for more adventures in the 100-acre woods.